How to get a recovery code for Microsoft account. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up Microsoft.com in any web browser that you prefer. After that, you have to log into a Microsoft account. Now once you're logged in and you get to this home page, now navigate to your profile icon from the top right corner and click on there. From this drop down box, click on this link that says My Microsoft Account. That's gonna take you to next page where you can view all your account details. Now under this account, scroll down a bit and there you will find an option as security. Click on it. It will get expand. Again scroll down a bit. There is an option as additional security option. Click on it. Now, under this section, again scroll down and at the very end there is a recovery code section. It says you can use this code to access your account if you lose access to your sign-in info. Print this out and keep it safe place or take a picture of it. So now to get a new code, click on this link that says generate a new code. Now, this is your new code. You have to copy this code and you have to keep it in somewhere in a safe place. And you will need this to recover your account whenever you lose access to your login information. If you have any old recovery code that will not work anymore, instead you have to use this code to recover your account. You can simply save it in your notepad, or you can simply print it out, or you can simply take a picture of it. So this is the way to create a new Microsoft account code, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and I will see you on next video.